So I have all of my squares already cut up. They're 9 by 6.5. A lot of the tutorials have said 9 by 6, but when I did that, it seemed too small, especially if you have a big face or a big head. 9 by 6 just seems more like child-sized or for a small female. So you put the two pieces good side facing each other because you're going to sew the outside and then flip it inside out. Start on the long side, about halfway. Okay, start sewing. Okay, you might want to zoom in on this part. Come over here.
It doesn't allow me to zoom in.
We'll just get closer. Okay, so I have the elastic. I cut it to 6 3/4 inches, and I put it on the inside, and I just hold it into the corner here, one end of one piece. Okay. Okay, so that elastic is sewn in. Turn the corner. Coming down the shorter side of the fabric. Okay, so now this is the part you have to reach in and get the elastic and pull it to the other corner so it makes a loop once you turn it inside out. Okay, so can you see I pulled the elastic into this corner, and I'm just gonna hold it down and sew right over it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this corner. Continue along this side. Okay, and I get my other elastic piece. So they're looping on the short side, not the long side. Put my elastic in on this corner. Turn the corner. Reach in, get the other end of the elastic, bring it into this corner. Now, if you don't have elastic, you could use long pieces of fabric or ribbon. Okay, now I had started sewing right here. You want to leave at least a couple inches, 2 or 3 inches, so that you can turn it inside out. So I'm only going to sew to about right here. Okay. Okay, so now back up a little bit. Now you turn it inside out. Okay, you have your mask, but you have to put pleats in it or else it doesn't sit tight on your face. So this is the part where you want to make sure both sides go in the same direction. You just fold over some pleats, put a pin in it. Okay, so you want 3 on each side, 3 pleats. I tried it with 2 and it's not enough, it has to be 3. Pause the video. So I've pinned all of my pleats. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now you're just gonna sew right along the edge of the whole thing. Okay, so it's a little tricky because this is so thick, so you have to kind of go slow over this part. Turn the corner. Now I can take these pins out because this part is sewn. I'm just going to take those out. So over here you can see the little hole where it wasn't sewn together. That's going to get sewn together when we get around to the edge. corner. Go over these pleats. And then we'll be done. Okay, so I'm going to kind of hold this part together where it's not sewn with my fingers. All right, we're done. So you just trim off the excess string and you have a mask.
And see.